Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today in this video I will give you some important previous year exam GK questions and answer which are very important for upcoming Assam competitive exams like Assam Police, Assam Direct Recruitment and Health Sector Recruitment and other exams point of view. So friends, let's start the questions. Question number 1. Who was the founder of the Maurya dynasty? Answer option number E. Chandragupta Maurya. Question number 2. Who defeated Prithviraj Chauhan at the Second Battle of Tarain? Answer option number B. Muhammad Ghori. Question number 3. The famous Moti Masjid in Agra was built by which of the following kings? Answer option number D. Aurangzeb. Question number 4. The East India Company was founded by? Answer option number A. The Merchant of London. Question number 5. In which year Quiet India movement was started? Answer option number D. 1942. Question number 6. What is the smallest planet in our solar system? Answer option number A. Mercury. Question number 7. What is the McMahon line? Answer option number C. Boundary line between India and China. Question number 8. Which of the following river is largest? Answer option number A. Nile. Question number 9. What is the capital of Austria? Answer option number C. Vienna. Question number 10. What is the largest crater in the world? Answer option number B. Blue Valley. Question number 11. Which of the following countries is known as the land of the rising sun? Answer option number C. Japan. Question number 12. Which water body connects the Mediterranean Sea with the Red Sea? Answer option number C. Suez Canal. Question number 13. Who discovered the South Pole? Answer option number A. Amundsen. Question number 14. Which of the following is not a seaport of India? Answer option number D. Mysore. Question number 15. Khajuraho is situated in? Answer option number C. Madhya Pradesh. Question number 16. Namdapha National Park is situated in? Answer option number B. Arunachal Pradesh. Question number 17. Where is the headquarters of UNICEF situated? Answer option number B. New York. Question number 18. Who wrote the book A Passage to India? Answer option number B. E.M. Forster. Question number 19. The Commonwealth Games is held every? Answer option number A. Every 4 years. Question number 20. The Kalinga Prize is given every year for popularization of science by? Option number C. The UNESCO. Question number 21. Who was the first woman to go into space? Answer option number D. Kalpana Chawla. Question number 22. Who was well known as Frontier Gandhi? Answer option number B. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Question number 23. When is the Doctor's Day celebrated in India? Answer option number C. 1st July. Question number 24. Duma is the lower legislative house of? Answer option number D. Russia. Question number 25. What is the national flower of Bangladesh? Answer option number A. Water lily. Question number 26. The Indus Valley civilization flourished mostly between. Answer option number B 2500 BC and 1700 BC. Question number 27. Emperor Ashoka was most famous king of. Answer option number A Maurya dynasty. Question number 28. The second battle of Panipat was fought during the reign of. Answer option number C Akbar. Question number 29. The main objective of Caliphate movement was. Answer option number D to restore the Caliphate of Ottoman Caliphate to his former position. Question number 30. Question number 30. Who led the Rajput in the Battle of Haldighati? Answer option number C Rana Pratap. Thanks for watching.